Stay tuned to find out how to make this incense holder and decorative glass burner. We're going to begin by using marble contact paper to cover our box. This is the bottom. I lightly sanded it just to make sure that everything would stick. Same for the wood shim. You'll repeat the process of completely covering it in the marble contact paper, and this is what both the box and the lid should look like when you're done. So to attach our lid to our box, we are just going to use these small command strips, going ahead and removing the backing off of one side of the adhesive and attaching it to the lid. Then you'll go ahead and remove the backing from the other side of the adhesive to attach it to the box. Now, when I did this the first time, I attached it to the outside, as you can see, and I also made sure that the lid would open and close, and it did, but I didn't like how it looked. So I removed the lid and applied the tabs to the inside of the box, and it made it look so much better to me. The lid still opens and closes as it should, and then I took some extra strips of marble contact paper and just covered the rest of the adhesive strips on the inside. And I tell you guys, you can't even tell once you open the box when you apply this extra contact paper. Then I simply cut off the pull tabs from the command strips, since I wouldn't be needing those anymore. I wanted to label my box, so I took these gold adhesive letters and I applied them to the box to create the word incense. Straight and simple, to the point. The only additional decorations that I applied to my incense holder were these little gems. I only added about 4 of them to the box. I wanted to keep this design pretty simple this time. And this is the incense I'll be using. It's an aromatherapy in the scent of jasmine. It smells so good, you guys. And I actually got this from the Dollar Tree. Now for the glass holder, I'm going to be using a combination of decorative stones, glass gems, and white rocks to add alternating layers to my glass jar. You can layer your stones, rocks, and gems however you want. This is just how I ended up doing it. I did the stones and then the white rocks back and forth until I ran out of them, and then on the very top, that's when I added my glass gems. I really love the color of these glass gems. They are so vibrant and beautiful, especially the jade green. Oh, it looks so good together. And here is our finished DIY. Our incense holder and decorative glass burner. I am all about self-care these days because it is stressful still being in this pandemic with no real end in sight. But I like to create spaces that will relax me, and using incense has been one of the key ways that I have been able to relax. I am a big scent person. I love all things that smell good, and I really enjoy creating this little incense holder because normally I just keep it in the plastic wrappers that the incense comes in. So this is a cute way to display it, and the glass jar looks so good. When you're ready to light your incense, All you have to do is stick it down into your mixture of your stones and beads and gems, and then you simply light your incense. You can use any regular standard lighter to light it. You'll simply hold the flame to it until it catches, and once it starts to burn, you'll blow it out. Now, that smoke that you see, that is what you want, because that is what releases the aroma of the incense, and it'll continue to burn until it reaches the end of the stick. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Like, just instant relaxation with the smell of jasmine. Leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite incense scent. Another favorite of mine is Nag Champa. That is another one that smells divine. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.